Welcome to the SQL tutorial series. So let's begin by installing SQL. So you can search download MySql and go to dev.mysql.com, or I'll be posting the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and pick out the latest version of SQL along with your operating system of choice. I'll go with the online installer. After pressing next, you don't need to log in or sign up. Just go ahead and start the download by clicking the no thanks, just start my download button. Once the download has finished, go to customs and press next. Over here, we'll be selecting three products. So first will be SQL server, and after selecting it, press the little green arrow. And next, we'll get the SQL shell. So once again, select it and press the little green arrow. And lastly, we'll get the MySql Workbench. Once three products has been selected, go ahead and press next. Over here, you can see the three products are ready to be downloaded. So execute, and depending on your internet speed, this may take some time. Well, we have encountered a error. So this is due to network error, and this is easily fixed. So you just have to go back and press next again. So you'll be prompted to download again. Now you can execute and download it. Once that is done, press next, and you can see all the three products are ready to be installed. Now again, this installation may take some time depending on your system. Once the installation has been finished, go ahead and press next. And over here, you should make sure that you have selected development computer. Now press next again, and no need to change anything, and press next again. So over here you will be prompted to give a root password. I suggest you set something strong, but for this tutorial only I am setting a simple password. So rest of the things can stay as it is, and in the apply configuration page, press execute. Now once it has finished, we basically have SQL MySQL on our system. So click finish to exit the installer, and now from start menu we will launch MySQL Workbench. In this workbench, we will create a SQL project and we will write our queries in that. So give it any name. I'll just call this SQL tutorial, and after that hit OK. Now click on it and you will be prompted to give the root password that you have set before, and after that press OK. Now you are in the workbench. So we'll leave it here. Let's continue in the next video.